All right, so listen, I really want you to sit down, take a seat, and listen to this.
There are some alarming new numbers out from the CDC showing a dramatic rise in the heroin epidemic.
Hooked on painkillers is an expensive habit.
There's a tragedy all over this country.
Turning to a cheaper way to chase that high with heroin.
Between 2002
The number
and
of heroin deaths
2013,
are growing
heroin
very
overdose
significantly.
deaths nearly quadrupled.
Tonight, we take you inside the epidemic, investigating how this deadly drug is winding up in our neighborhoods.
I have been to 22 rehabs in the 8 years of my addiction. Nothing longer than 6 months clean, but that's when I'm institutionalized for those 6 months.
Previously been to about 42 different treatment centers in the United States.
Everywhere with a serious heroin and crack addiction.
I was on meth, I was on heroin, I was on ecstasy.
These pharmaceuticals being pushed into you and just keeping you in the cycle.
They give you addicting medication to get off addicting medication.
You have depression, they put you on Xanax and Prozac, Depakote, Risperdal. If you can't sleep at night, they put you on Trazodone,
It's absolutely insane when you think about it.
The doctors put me on Suboxone. I was on Suboxone for 2.5 years, and I was very depressed.
I've been to so many doctors and been on every kind of medicine you could think of.
They give you Suboxone or Subutex or Vivitrol or Methadone or whatever.
Whether you break it in 10 different pieces and you take it for 10 days.
I was on all these pills.
Little strip.
It's crazy.
You still need it every single day. It's replacing one drug for
a
another.
new set of drugs to combat the side effects of the other drugs.
I thought I was doing the right thing going to a Suboxone clinic.
Most of the world does not know about
The
this.
government and the FDA and my doctors, they didn't want me off of drugs. They wanted me on their drugs. Patented drugs, taxable drugs, the FDA-approved drugs.
I feel like shit. Somehow I end up in Mexico at this house. Suboxone and all that crap, it does not work, and it's painful, and
I tried getting off of it on my own, and the withdrawals were worse than when I was using heroin.
How bad is the pain?
Oh, it's so fucking bad. God. Fucking shoot me.
I would get so high, I would literally be, borderline alive or dead.
An FBI agent who became the very thing he was hunting. A drug offender, the heroin he busted others for, proving too great a temptation for himself.
You're a mother of two.
yeah,
And you have a loving family at home.
yeah.
Let's get you back to your family.
Earlier this year, I introduced you to two men who claimed almost overnight were cured.
I thought it was a scam. I thought that shit was not going to work.
It could save someone's life.
A pioneering treatment that's taken an amazing success rate.
I was a little skeptical. I was like, well, you know what? I'm going to hope for the best. I really hope this does do something.
People out in New England know me. They're gonna say, that's Tony after 6 days, that's impossible.
You see people come here and you're like, you can't imagine them getting better. And within a few days, their personality is coming back. They're laughing, they're happy again, and it's crazy within a few days.
I saw the light in his eye again that I haven't seen since we were in high school.
I could take on the world with the energy I have now. It's not even an issue.
Thanks to this place, I have my whole self back in everything I ever wanted, and it's absolutely amazing.
It's so great because there's a cure out there. You can be cured.
My skin's cleared up. I lost 20 pounds. I'm so much happier. I smile. I laugh. I'm glowing. I was so unhappy when I got here, so I'm so grateful.
When I came in here, I had no voice. I had no self-esteem. I was miserable, and I couldn't even look at myself in the mirror. Being here, I've found a sense of self. I've found confidence. I've found happiness and this inner peace.
You get your confidence back. You get everything back and more, and you know what your purpose is for life too. It's absolutely amazing.
My withdrawals are at 0.
Below 0, because I'm just I'm on a different level.
No withdrawals. If I was anywhere else, 2 weeks in, I would not be able to walk right now.
Johnny's got this down to a science.
Johnny the Healer is the real deal. People can't even believe it back home because it's just so outrageous if you had seen me when I walked in here.
I feel more incredible than I have ever felt in my life.
Lisa, Michael's mother, who'd taken out a second mortgage on her home for Michael's many treatments, believes he is cured. She says the sparkle in his eyes is back.
I've been searching for this solution for 25 years, consistently straight. I didn't find it till I came here. There's no price tag for your life. You want your life back? This is the way to do it.